Hello everyone. In this video, we'll go through our latest and greatest grid gardening system for our outdoor backyard garden. Why use grid gardening? First, it's very space efficient. You can put them side by side with minimal wasted space. Second, it delivers really good drainage. Third, because it's elevated, some creatures won't bother climbing it. Last but not least, the roots will have easy access to the ground soil food web. At the heart of this system is a 5-gallon rectangular tote by Iris that's made in USA. It measures 18 inches by 11 inches by 10 inches tall. This is a very versatile bin that can be used in several configurations. You tune it based on the plant spacing requirements. The first layout is a 2x1 grid. This is for plants that need plenty of room from each other. It gives each plant roughly 11 inches by 9 inches in room. If you can go a little more dense, you can go with the 3x1 grid. It reduces each plant space to 6 by 11 inches. But that's still generous for some plants. Next, we double the density through a 3x2 grid. Each plant gets 6 inches by 5.5 inches and 10 inches in height. Some plants can handle this. Last, we have a 4x2 grid. Each plant gets 4.5 inches by 5.5 inches by 10 inches. We wouldn't go past that, to avoid stunted growth and diseases from poor air circulation. You might ask, what about a 1x1 layout? For those, we're going with cylindrical pots. Regardless of the layout, we need to drill lots of holes on all sides. At the bottom, we're drilling 16 holes in a 4x4 grid. We need to get the biggest drill bit available. This is mainly to allow your roots to go out of the pot from the bottom, giving them the benefit of getting access to water and nutrients on the ground. More importantly, it gives the roots access to the ground's soil food web. If you look up that topic, there's a complex ecosystem in the soil that plants need. On the wide side of the container, we're going to drill 15 holes in a 3x5 grid. You might ask, why are we drilling the sides? The reason is we want the roots to have improved access to oxygen. Although leaves use carbon dioxide, roots actually need oxygen. In fact, running out of oxygen is detrimental to roots. On the narrow side of the container, we're going to drill 9 holes in a 3x3 grid. This gives your roots even access to oxygen. Let's take a look at the bin after drilling all the holes. Now, let's see it in our backyard. It hugs the fence so well, and goes very well with our espalier posts.